If the zipper on your handbag keeps getting stuck, don't pull it too hard, because you can damage the zipper or the fabric. Today I'll show you a simple candle trick that can help your handbag zipper slide smoothly again. First, gently rub the candle along the zipper teeth a few times. Then warm it very lightly so the wax can spread evenly through the zipper. After that, move the zipper slowly up and down and enjoy your handbag working smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on how to fix a zipper, subscribe to my channel.